Desperately needed food, medicine, and other supplies will soon be flowing into Gaza, thanks to a newly completed floating pier.
Innocent civilians should never go without food, water, medicine, shelter, sanitation, or other basic necessities.
President Biden ordered the military to construct the humanitarian lifeline 2 months ago, after fighting slowed down aid delivery on land. But as the fighting continues, aid agencies fear it won't be enough to prevent a humanitarian catastrophe.
We remain deeply concerned about the lack of protection for civilians.
Meanwhile, in Washington, tensions grow over President Biden's decision to pause a shipment of bombs to Israel over concerns they could be used in Rafah, a city where Hamas fighters and hundreds of thousands of Palestinians are sheltering. House Republicans are now teeing up a bill that would compel the administration to send arms to Israel without conditions.
We will have Israel's back, and we're going to see who else does when the vote happens later today.
Everything it calls for, the administration is already doing, and it is just yet another example of the Republicans using Israel and anti-Semitism for their own political purposes.
Even if the bill passes the House, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer says the chamber will not take up the legislation. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.